凌晨1時30分，香港電台最新一節風暴消息：8號西北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹西北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺凌晨1時，超強颱風華加莎集結喺香港之東南約160公里，即喺北緯21.1度、東經115.1度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速約22公里，靠近珠江口至廣東西部沿岸一帶。現時本港部分地區已受烈風影響，預料超強颱風華加莎會喺今早最接近本港，喺本港南面100公里左右掠過，其颶風區將會逐漸接近本港。天文台會喺今日凌晨1時40分改發9號烈風或暴風風力增強信號，市民請留意天文台嘅最新天氣消息，並且完成所有預防措施。華加莎環流廣闊，風勢猛烈，本港今日天氣會持續惡劣，有頻密狂風大驟雨及雷暴，海有極巨浪及湧浪，岸邊會出現越堤浪。東面及南面嘅海岸尤其顯著，市民應該遠離岸邊以及停止所有水上活動。受顯著風暴潮影響，今日本港沿岸增水可以達約2米，預計水位喺早上約6時開始，約6時後開始上升，並且喺早上較後時間至下午初時達至最高，普遍可達海圖基準面以上約3.5米至4米。而吐露港水位更加可能高達海圖基準面以上4米至5米。喺過去1小時，大老山、橫瀾島以及長洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時94、90及74公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時129、103及103公里。防風措施報告：受風暴潮影響，低洼地區可能出現嚴重淹浸或者海水倒灌，市民應該盡量避免進入可能受影響嘅低洼地區，以及遠離危險地方。有關最新天氣資訊，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分以及踏正嘅報導。
1:30 late night, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 northwest, gale or storm signal, is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the northwest quarter. At 1 a.m., Super Typhoon Ragasa was centered about 160 km southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 21.1 degrees north, 115.1 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 22 km per hour, edging closer to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary, to the coast of western Guangdong. Parts of the territory are affected by gale-force winds currently. Super Typhoon Ragasa is expected to be closest to Hong Kong this morning, skirting around 100 kilometers to the south of the territory. Its hurricane-force winds will edge close to Hong Kong gradually. The observatory will issue the increasing gale or storm signal, number 9, at 1:40 a.m. today. Members of the public, please pay close attention to the latest weather information from the observatory and complete all precautionary measures. Ragasa has an extensive circulation with fierce winds. The local weather will be persistently adverse today, with frequent heavy squally showers and thunderstorms. Seas will be phenomenal with swells and overtopping waves over the shoreline, which will be particularly significant along the eastern and southern coasts. Members of the public should stay away from the shoreline and not engage in water sports. Under the influence of significant storm surge, the rise in water level can reach around 2 meters over the coast of Hong Kong today. The water level will start to rise after around 6 a.m. in the morning. It will reach the maximum later in the morning to early afternoon, generally to around 3.5 to 4 meters above chart datum. The water level at Tolo Harbour may even reach 4 to 5 meters above chart datum. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Cairn, Waglan Island, and Cheng Chau were 94, 90, and 74 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 129, 103 and 103 km per hour respectively. As for the precautionary announcements, owing to storm surge, low-lying areas may have severe flooding or backflow of seawater. You should avoid going to likely affected low-lying areas and stay away from dangerous places. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours at 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。